it's Ginger here from the Mornville Library, and I'm here today to show you how to make the craft for the week. This is the first week of July, so it's the July 5th week, and it goes with our camping stories, and this time we're making a campfire. And I wanted to do it at night on black paper, but we didn't have any black paper at the time, so we're going to pretend it's like evening and use blue paper instead. So you'll have a blue paper like this in your bag. You'll have a couple of popsicle sticks that are quite large, and they might be any color. They might not be green, they might be brown, they might be red, they might be orange, yellow. Mine are green. And then you're going to also have in your bag yellow and red tissue paper because we're making a campfire. And then we're going to make it. So of course, again, you definitely need white glue or a glue gun with your parents' help in order to get these sticks to actually stay on the page. So I'm going to slant this down so you can get a good look at what I'm doing. First, I'm going to take a look at my stick and see which side is the flattest, because they tend to curl a little bit, so it's flatter on this side. So I'm going to put the glue on the stick, and what I like to do is, once I have it coming out for myself, there we go, should be coming soon, is I like to zigzag my glue so that I'm sure that there's going to be enough on there. And we're going to be making our sticks into an X near the bottom of our page. So actually I'm going to do it this way so you can see where it is. So, and press it down, and really you should leave it sit for quite a while before you pick up that paper, because you know what will happen. It will fall off, and then you'll have to start all over again, and who wants to do that? I don't. So basically what you're going to do now is you're going to shake out your glue, get it ready, and you're going to zigzag again. Here it comes. Zigzag, zigzag. Keep pressing, keep gluing. Ta-da! All right, so I have my second stick, and it's going to make an X shape across my other one. Some sort of an X shape, fairly close to the bottom, so you have room for your fire. And of course the tissue paper for the fire. So I like to separate my red from my orange. And you should have at least 10. You should have 5 reds and 5 oranges, or you might even have more than that. And you can put these on here however you like. I like to just put a dot of glue right on the paper or on the sticks where I want the fire to go. Shake that down. There's just a dot, you don't need a lot. And you can kind of crunch up your little shape so it looks crunchy, and then stick it on there. Press it down, let it sit. And then on top of a red one, you might want an orange one. And again, it's better to put the glue on the paper than it is to put it on the tissue paper and try to get it to go where you want. So I always set it up like this, and I want some of my yellow to overlap some of my red, because yellow and red together can kind of give you an orange effect. And you know, my paper's crunched up, so that's a good thing. So now I'm going to put, I think I put a red one right in the middle, because fire should have lots of red showing. Get that glue to come out. There it is. And I'm going to, if I had my mom here, I would get her to hold the glue bottle. So you guys could do that. You could, and what I did here is sort of poke it up so it looks like it's really on fire. And then so it goes pretty fast. Fires usually come to a point at the top, so now I'm going to be thinking about that while I do it, so that my fire starts going near the top and not so much to the side. Let's put that there. And then I have one red and one yellow left. This time I put it on the tissue paper. It's worked, but it's kind of messier. And then we'll put this one here. And hopefully my sticks have dried to the page. If I were you, I would wait half an hour. Go have a cup of juice and a cookie or something. Anyway, mine seems to be holding. So there is the fire for this week. I hope you have fun making it. And do send us pictures because we love them and sometimes we post them on social media. But this is a campfire and it's not too hard to make. Let us know how it goes. Bye for now.